Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best regards all researchers. Introduce us from the Polytechnic Negeri Banyuwangi, which consists of Julius Erwanto and Dewi Aras Pratiwi. We will present the result of our research entitled Application of Geographic Information System for the Identification of Flood and Landslide Mitigation in Badung Watershed. For introduction, the background of our research. The Banyuwangi flash flood in 2018 in Alas Malang was one of the many natural disasters that caused losses. This flash flood was caused by weathering of material on the slope of Mount Pendil, which flow with a current to the Badung River. Mitigation efforts can be made to prevent the risk of potential disaster or reduce the effect of disaster with using geographic information system to identify disaster mitigation in flood-prone area and landslide-prone area in Badung Watershed. Our research problem: how to identify disaster mitigation in flood-prone area and landslide-prone area in the Badung Watershed with geographic information system. The following are research locations in the Badung Watershed. Here is our research flowchart with collecting digital map to making flood and landslide hazard maps using GIS with method of landslide vulnerability scoring and flood hazard scoring. Here is flood and landslide hazard category with 5 classified. Our research output such as map of prone area affected by flood, map of potential flood water supply prone, map of landslide vulnerability in Badung Watershed, and mitigation disaster policy. Step 2: input data and prone area affected by flood with the following digital map overlay techniques that are boundary of Badung Watershed, map of river network, map of rainfall, map of land use, and map of slope. The result of the classification and the extent of area prone to flooding area concentrate in the middle to downstream area, which are included in 12 villages, namely Songgon, Sumberbulu, Parangharjo, Sumberwaru, Badewang, Kemiri, Cantuk, Singojuru, Alas Malang, Bedewan Kidul, Bubuk, and Gladak. Meanwhile, the flood-prone area are in the Sumberarum village and Bayu village. Potential flood water supply prone Badung Watershed. The result of the classification and area of potential flood water supply place are concentrated in the middle to the downstream area, which are include the 12 villages, namely Songgon, Sumberbulu, Parangharjo, Sumberbaru, Badewang, Kemiri, Cantuk, Singonjuru, Alas Malang, Bendalan Kidul, Bubuk, and Gladak. Map overlay process for landslide vulnerability with digital maps such as a map of rainfall, slope, land use, geomorphology, map of population density, map of infrastructure, map of soil depth, and map of geology. The results show that the area was vulnerable to landslide scattered in Sumberarum village, Sumberbulu, Bayu, and Songgon. This is the fact about flood and landslide scattered upstream to downstream in the Badung Watershed. This is the table of recommendation of the flood mitigation policy. This is the table of recommendation of the landslide mitigation policy. So, the conclusion are: the distribution of flood water supply area consists of the risk level of 32.17%, the level of risk likely prone by 6.169%, the level of risk was slightly vulnerable by 61.759%. Disaster mitigation in flood water supply area in form of river grading, land use monitoring, and location planning in prone area, and flood awareness training for vulnerable communities. The distribution of location prone to flooding has a very high risk level of 28.429%. The level of risk is 50.919%. The level of risk is somewhat prone to 20.651%. Disaster mitigation is per area prone to flooding in the upstream area of the Badung watershed in the form of vegetative and mechanical conservation development in the upstream river, and conservation building in the form of check dam or gully plugs and terrace. Also, building construction of drainage channel and reservoir around the bank of the Badung River. The distribution of landslide vulnerability map for the Badung watershed has slightly vulnerable risk level of 2.688% and slightly vulnerable risk level of 97.311%. Area with high level of risk of landslide are area where there are fracture of land due to landslide that have previously occurred in the area. Disaster mitigation in landslide-prone area in the form of terracing and greening by stabilizing slopes and closing fissures on slope to prevent water from entering quickly into the ground. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.